Acting Mayor Raymond Garcia ordered the immediate suspension of all procurement orders for the upcoming Pambansang Palaro in July. Details from Catherine Landicho.
Acting Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia issued a memorandum address to the Bids and Awards Committees for Goods and Services and for Infrastructure and Consulting Services of the city government ordering the postponement of pending activities related to 2024 Pambansang Palaro. The order covers activities that includes conducting bidding, issuing notice of award or notice to proceed, purchase orders, contracts, and any other activity. Garcia said the suspension promotes good governance and follows the principles of transparency and accountability, adding that he wants all contracts to be aligned with the provisions of Republic Act 9184 or the Government Procurement Reform Act and that its implementing rules and regulations. The acting mayor clarified that the suspension should not affect other activities in preparation for the event, including the ongoing construction of the track oval at CCSC. This is Catherine Landicho for your TV News.